right off the bat, I'm foregoing Charlie driving all the way around behind Alpha, right?
Yeah. I want you to put a nice shot in the ass with slams and mine. But if you want, because I don't think you'll have the time to put C4. Just go right at him in the ass. Because we're gonna have 4
I'm
of
taking
them.
a quad.
Yeah.
Or am I taking the MRAP?
Take the quad.
So I'm taking the MRAP then, or is there 2 quads?
Yeah. Take the MRAP.
Okay.
Let's go. Hatchet, join our squad.
Lab switching west.
Double rep.
I got it.
Okay, I'm going around behind.
32 hit.
Okay.
He's focusing on
Get him in
me.
the ass.
Fuck! He got me. They have.
Okay. Go ahead and contest.
They're on Bravo.
100 reps.
Okay.
Alright, do you want me to go to Charlie now?
Okay.
Or spawn
Kill
guys?
the repairman.
Do you want me to go Charlie?
Okay. Kill another repairman. Yeah. Go to Charlie.
He's
now.
lit. He's super lit.
Go to Charlie now.
I'm gonna set down slams.
Set down slams.
They're
please.
all over Bravo.
Alright, they're on Charlie.
One
Hey,
dead.
they're gonna
B.
try to put slams on,
One guy going
on our.
spawn.
They're trying to put slams on our base.
Alright, they got me. I think they have 2 people there. Because they have slams.
And they're coming to the objective now. They're at the water tower.
Yeah, I see him.
LAV at water tower.
He got me. Hit on LAD 25.
He's got a repper. Hit on LAV.
2 guys in my
Both you
building.
guys are on Charlie.
Guys, hatchet spawn on me.
Rush that.
Hatchet spawn on me.
One sec. I'm at the spawn screen.
I'm down.
No, switch it up.
Hit on LAD 29.
Do you guys need help? LAV?
No, I'm
Do you
good.
want me to go with them?
Need a quick rep.
Okay, I'm with you guys for the moment. And then I'll rotate back to Charlie after.
Roger that.
He's dead.
Who's on
One
Bravo?
hit,
Let's
one
go.
hit, one hit.
Let's go push Bravo.
Okay, I'm capping.
I took out the mines and spawn. Just playing out. With the Jeep.
He's.
One in my belly.
Okay, he got 28 damage on him.
Okay, I'm on Charlie. I'm just gonna try to hold it.
$50 on the lab, 50.
That,
They're contesting
One above-
Charlie, guys.
above,
They're on
above.
Charlie.
Okay.
Spawning on the lab.
I spawned inside. Alright, Charlie's down.
One in back scaffolding.
Charlie's good.
Good
Charlie's
shipper.
good, guys.
Hey,
Take off,
rotate
take off.
Bravo, rotate Bravo.
Okay, go ahead, Bert. You wanted
Join Bravo
Charlie,
squad.
unless you want to keep it.
No, I'll go. This is yours.
Okay.
Hatchet on me, AT. Hatchet on me, AT.
Don't go that way, Bert. Don't go that
Yeah,
way.
I saw that.
Okay.
Well,
He got me. Oh, my RPG isn't even going off before it killed me. This is I'm mindful for my side it is, but shit.
Lab's backing off.
Okay, the guy in your right flank.
Vernon, you got him. Right, Alpha is capped.
Secure that rooftop. Alright, guys, hold it.
My body, one B.
Just hold A and C. Hold A and C.
Quad going
Left hit.
like,
Quad going to Charlie.
yep. Just drove over.
LAV also going to Charlie.
LAV
And,
hit
yep.
slam.
Hey,
Okay,
kill the lab. Kill the lab.
LAV down.
Hey, defend alpha. Defend alpha.
Is there River?
Oh,
good shit.
One for in the water, on the
Yeah,
bridge.
right.
I see.
You guys hold it. Hold it.
Two over, dark, two dark.
Three Charlie.
three Charlie. Spawn on hatchet for Charlie.
Two in Charlie.
Let me-
Three in Charlie.
Okay, Hatchet, I'm on bridge. I'm gonna try to help you out.
Yeah.
Charlie. Defend Charlie.
One up here.
One down.
One's in market.
Two down.
Two in
Kill.
market.
We're losing Charlie, boys.
Yep.
Yep.
Respond to that. Zanami, can you respond to Charlie, please?
Yeah, I'm going.
Roger that.
You see,
We've got.
it's in.
There's one person in the backside. He's down. One more. Probably on the opposite side.
Oh, slums.
Sorry. Okay, left down for the moment.
Nothing inside. I think he might be on the top.
But two
Dark.
down. down.
Lots dark. 3.
Okay, so, switch
There's
squads.
one more.
Coco. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, Coco and Tsunami on me. Coco, Tsunami on me. Ready? Go. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna drop off here, Krazo.
Lit.
Okay, Reaper spawn for Charlie.
One of my body, he's lit.
Nading.
Alpha's
Okay,
being
taking-
taken.
Yeah, roger that.
At your left,
Okay,
River.
I'm gonna wait and give you the spawn. Annie.
Yeah.
Going for Bravo.
Alright, let's go.
Bravo's on the burn.
Show me alpha.
One down.
LAV.
Help, please.
God, I can't.
LAV
Alright,
spot
we're
on.
capping. Alright, they're gonna be on bridge.
We gotta take out the.
Top dark.
Blue.
Trying the bridge is low.
Alon, 1.
Bravo is ours.
G team's the
Watch out, Bravo. You need to clean out the laundry room, guys. That's where they're watching over Bravo.
G team's allowed, right?
Whoa, they're in.
Right below us.
Let's clear it
Okay,
out.
there's one inside,
Four.
Charlie. Ani, I'm on you.
The lab's 50.
He's down. There's another one.
Two pushing Bravo.
Up. Lower
He's
Bravo,
hit.
lower Bravo. They're going staircase.
God.
He's down. Go ahead and move in.
LAV hit 27.
Dark staircase.
You need ammo? I have a AP shell and
Hatchet spawn on lab, please. Spawn on lab.
Ani, when you
okay.
get there,
how do you
check
like-
the back.
LAV's rep is dead.
Check the back,
Okay.
Ani.
Shoot.
Okay.
Spawning. I'm spawning.
He's really low.
LAV. Come on.
Okay, I'm moving in.
Oh, LAV's down.
Spawn on us.
I'm on you.
Split
Alright,
up.
Ani, let's split this back room.
Oh, I flared. Shit.
Alright, we're good. Go ahead. Take a quad if you need to.
One guy here.
Oh my god.
Four.
Alon, 10.
4 life. Nice.
Got him. I think they're all down.
They got me. They got me.
Oh,
There's one A long. There's 2 on A short.
Long hatchet for the flank.
LAV and C.
Okay, lab is up. Lab is up.
Possible.
Check the
lab on
slams.
bridge,
Drive
lab on
slowly.
bridge.
Drive slowly. Check the
Lab on
slams.
bridge.
Drive slowly.
I'm down.
Spotted, spotted.
God, I knew that was gonna happen.
There's infantry with lab support.
Hatchet on me. Hatchet on me.
Alright, start down.
Okay, roger that.
Eliminate this guy here now, Charlie. Somebody's here.
One running into the.
I need left.
LAV spotted. Mini map.
He's down. He's down.
going to Charlie.
Good shit, Spades.
Labs
He's
in,
coming around.
labs in round.
in.
Labs coming around behind you, Zanami.
Yes, yeah.
APS on. APS on.
Rep.
They're from our front too. They got our front.
They dropped off A short.
Get him from the 6. Oh shit.
Take a small for you.
That's too many.
Damn. Yeah.
Alright, watch spawns. Watch spawns now. Oh well, yeah.
Game over.
Yeah.
Good progress. Is that just half, right? We get another.
Yeah, there's a
No.
second torment.
I'm
God.
down with the same server. I'm okay to use the same server. Are you
For
guys
the
okay
next
with the
map?
server? Yeah. No, for this map.
It's AIDS, but sure, why not?
Do you want to keep this Miami one?
They're already moved.
Call outs, okay.
Live, 23 seconds.
So you still want me on quad bike to Charlie?
Yes, this time we go perfect, Charlie.
Do you still want me to try to get behind him if possible, or just go straight to Charlie?
Am I still going up
We
the
can do
middle at Bravo?
Yeah,
Probably.
go straight for Bravo.
Okay.
Actually, you're not.
No, Spades, do you want me on Charlie or going behind him?
No, you're gonna go. Actually, go for Alpha because we're putting lab towards Charlie. Go.
Okay.
Oh god, I was so scared that this thing would flip.
Coco. Take your gunner seat.
Lab is pushing. Yeah, Lab is pushing Charlie.
Oh wow, he is.
Left hit.
A lot of destruction.
They got two.
right
They
there.
got two. There's a spawn bomb.
The big spawn bomb at Bravo.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Oh, he got repair tooled. Uh oh.
They all bailed out.
Hey guys, let's go work on Bravo.
Damn. Just
Don't go that way, Coco.
They're A long.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
They're greens and yellow. Or blue and yellow.
Oh, they got a quad coming here.
Yep.
And I ran him over.
Go ahead and take Bravo. Go ahead and take Bravo.
Good shit, Coco.
Caruso with me.
Lab's pushing up.
Sorry.
Alright, there's one on Alpha. Nice, you guys got him?
My body.
One more.
LAV Alpha. I'm down.
They're gonna cross.
LAV hit 27.
Alright, I'm gonna respawn on it and light him up.
Top above you, King. Top of
Got
dog.
him.
I'm down.
23 on.
22 on him.
23.
Got him.
Nice job.
Disabled.
Alright,
Slams.
Where's he at?
Shit,
Yes.
sorry.
Got him.
He's down.
Right as you jumped, too.
All right, guys. Overwatch.
Halloween is
God damn it!
ramp.
I don't see any bridge spawns. Oh, one, two.
Crap. Alright, I'm gonna MRAP to Alpha.
Yep, I'm going that way.
Okay.
Taking C.
Spawn on me.
Taking A.
Alright,
Go
Hatch,
for
when
A,
we
go
get
for
there,
A, go for A,
you wanna
guys,
hop
go for
out
A.
and I'll stay on gun.
Okay. Bert,
Pick
watch
up.
out.
Watch out for my slams.
Just kind of scared to hit those slams.
Yeah. Okay, there's one
On
back
the left.
behind,
Oh, come on. You
I'm
can't
hopping
go
out.
up this?
Nice drops.
Two eyes here.
Alright, Hatch up here. Oop. Right there.
Good
Cool
job,
down.
Secret Charlie.
Run the door.
Killed him. Got him.
Okay, I'm looking at him.
Burning.
Middle alley.
Burning.
Yep. I'm watching him.
Hey, get him. I got him. Dead.
Okay, we need to wrap.
Oh, LAD coming in.
Still burning.
gonna hit the
Still people in
slams.
that little,
Okay, I'm gonna
little
stay
hole.
safe.
Where is it?
Alright, he's hit for
The alpha.
23.
LED.
Alpha.
Yeah, pushing alpha.
Hatchet, I'm a good spawn. Oh shit, 2 east side. LAV can fuck your day up.
Hey, Bravo.
LAV second hit, slam.
Need to wrap.
Let me rip.
LAD gave up on Alpha. Backed off.
Did it fully
Still
or
one
is
on
it coming
alpha.
back around?
No, it fully, it backed. Oh, no, it's coming back around now.
Okay, I've got more slams.
We're losing. They're going to Charlie.
How are they?
Alright, I'm alpha spawn. Never mind, we're good. There's still one person here though, I
Two
think.
down, long, A.
Vehicle disabled in C.
Where's the left?
Lab, disabled.
Labs at C, labs at
Watch plan.
Charlie.
Watch plan.
He's got 40 health left, 40 health.
Still it.
Pushing left.
Alright, they're all down on alpha.
These stairs, guys. These stairs.
Nice. I respawn with you.
Hold both sides. Can I get repairs?
Yeah. I'm
I don't have
respawn.
repairs. Someone spawn on me with repairs.
Oh, fuck!
Oh.
They killed my left.
Damn.
Wrap.
That was close.
They're going out. They're going to
Get it,
Charlie
get it.
from the water.
Go, let's just go. Oh,
Ah, yes.
That is
Oh yeah, heavy Charlie push. Water.
people crossing the water.
Watch that Charlie push.
Yep, there's 3 of them
spotted.
at least. 4th on the way.
one in point. Inside.
Shoot, he got
Alright, multiple alpha.
Tsunami, you have one here.
multiple
Spawn,
alpha.
spawn Reaper,
guys.
spawn Reaper.
Stay alive. So I can-
Is Charlie clear? I think.
Ah, shit.
Reaper spawn bird.
Hit.
They're LA.
A
They're
long,
LA.
so.
Money bird.
Yeah, okay, you guys have Overwatch. I'm gonna go in there.
One next to you, Hatchet's Rit.
Okay.
Mobility on A vehicle, don't know what it was.
Watch for my slams, guys.
Yeah, there's slams on Charlie
A-long,
side as
A-long.
well. M-Rap going to Charlie. He might hit the slams.
Oh no. Oh man. Okay, LAV is up. Oh, that damn rat.
Okay, Hatchet, I'm
Watch it,
spawning.
People
Come on,
taking
guys.
C. One hit the
Above
lab.
Above dark. 2 above dark. Oh no.
That's the LEV.
Spawn on hatchet for Bravo push.
Do you guys, I'm gonna hop into the LAV and spawn in.
I have C-burn when the LEV leaves this. Just push alpha.
Lab 3 hits.
Good job, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Enemy killed. Repair the killed.
Oh, you got you. Yeah.
Two on top, two on top.
I'm going over Charlie.
LAV's going backside Alpha.
Good kill.
Grab.
They're on Alpha.
One
He's
out.
coming.
Last flanking you.
Watch
One
Alpha
hit. To
building.
the left.
That's it, or LAV.
Repair. Wait
Also
here.
slams.
I'm down.
There's one on Alpha.
Low. Parachuted. 2 parachute.
One hit, LAV.
One more hatchet.
Yeah, they're baiting out the last 3 guys.
Oh shoot.
Passive LAV.
Yep.
Come on, guys. We got this. Come on.
Coming back to Charlie.
Ooh. Charlie looks like a sloth.
Okay, I'm Alpha spawn.
Right.
Roger that.
Reaper's Alpha spawn. They're right here.
There's someone here on Alpha. At least one.
Yep. I think they're above us.
LAV is right outside our spawn.
I'm getting shot at.
Oh.